You have already learned how to solve one-step equations with multiplication and division. Did you know that you can solve one-step inequalities with multiplication and division too? Let's take a look at an example. 3y is less than 18. Here is an inequality that has multiplication in it. The 3 next to the y tells us that this operation is multiplication. Now, to solve this, we're going to use the inverse of multiplication, which is division. And we are going to divide both sides of this equation, this inequality, by 3. We want to get the y alone. 3 divided by 3 is 1. We bring down the y. Y is less than 18 divided by 3, which is 6. This is the solution to this inequality. Here's another one. 2y is greater than or equal to 10. Again, this has multiplication in it, so we can use division to solve it. We divide both sides by 2. This cancels. Bring down the y. Y is greater than or equal to 5. Now we can also graph the solution. Let's take a look. Notice that the solution for this inequality includes 5, so I'm going to put a closed circle at 5 to start. Now the solution for this inequality is everything including 5 that is greater than 5. So now I'm going to draw my arrow this way, showing that all of these values are included in the solution for this inequality. What about one with division? Let's take a look. X divided by 2 is greater than 6. Here is an example of an inequality that has division in it. We're going to solve for x by using the inverse of division, multiplication. We multiply both sides by 2. These cancel. Bring down the x. X is greater than 12. Now let's graph the solution. First, notice that x is greater than 12. It does not include 12. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put an open circle at positive 12. Now all of the values that work for x are greater than 12, so I'm going to draw my arrow this way. And now I've solved this inequality. Let's take a look at another one. Y divided by 3 is less than negative 1. Let's start by using the inverse of division and multiply both sides by 3. These cancel. Bring down the y. Y is less than negative 3. Now let's graph this on the number line. Now notice that the solution for y does not include negative 3, so I'm going to start by putting an open circle at negative 3. And my values are less than, so I draw a line to the left. Now I have solved this inequality and I have graphed the solution for it.